Alright guys, I want to teach us a question on physics. It's a calculation in physics. This calculation is on average speed, alright? It says a student walks 300 meters in 5 minutes, alright? And then runs 200 meters in 100 seconds. Calculate the average speed of the student for the entire journey. So we are going to calculate on average speed. All right. So first of all, if we're looking at the first distance, distance one is equals to what? 300 meter. All right. So we have 300 meter. Then our time is what? The time is 5 seconds. All right, 5 minutes, rather. So we have 5 minutes. So these 5 minutes, we are going to convert it into seconds. So we times by 60, all right, which is what? 300 seconds. Okay, so our second distance is what? 200 meters, because we have two distance here, and the seconds, we have two different seconds. So we have distance 2, which is 200 meters. Then the second time is what? It equals to 100 seconds. All right. So our total distance is equals to what? 300. We are going to add both distance together. 300 plus 200, which is equals to what? This will give us what? 500 meter. All right. Now that we have the total distance, we are now going to apply it in our formula, which is the formula for average speed. So we have gotten the total distance, so we have to still get the total time. Total time, which is tt, is equals to, we are going to add the total times, both times together. 300 plus 100, which is equals to 400 seconds. So we are going to be working with the 500 meter and the 400 seconds. All right. So what is our formula for average speed? Average speed, which is AX, is equals to total distance over what? Total time. All right. So total distance divided by total time. So what is our total distance? Is 500. Total distance is 500 meter, right? Divide by the total time is what? 400 seconds. So 400 divided by 500, we are going to have a 1.25 meter per second. All right, guys, this is how to calculate for average speed. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Click on the notification bell for more videos. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. All right.